Do you need to update your wiring? Would you like to convert your home with LED technology? Have you always dreamed of landscape lighting and you don't know where to begin? Well, if you said yes to any of these questions, then you would definitely benefit from a visit with Vintage Electric. Mike, I know that Vintage Electric you started over 10 years ago. What made you want to start this company?
Kristen, I've been doing this a long time. I've worked for a couple of contractors that were very successful, and I thought that it was time for me to try to be successful as well. Vintage Electric has a lot of meaning to me. It means that I'm trying to do things the way they've been done in the past. We're trying to do what we say we do. We're trying to do it on time. We're trying to do it on budget.
Now, you provide a lot of services, so can you tell me about some of those that you offer your customers?
We do. We run the gamut from a $90 service call, which could be the replacement of a switch or a receptacle in your residence or your business. We also do complete remodels. We do kitchen remodels. We do service calls in commercial businesses, which are lamps and ballast and any number of things. We do upgrades to services as may be required by new appliances or new technology.
So how does the service work that you're doing then complement what you're doing on the larger scale commercial projects?
It's a good question. I think that on the service side, they get to see some of the larger work, maybe something that we saw on a big job that we can apply to the small job. I also think it works backwards. I think our big job guys get to learn some things from the service side because we see so many jobs.
Some of the larger scale commercial projects that Vintage has completed is Campus USA headquarters in Jonesville. It was a 90,000 square foot office space. A lot of projects at Shands. We did a burn unit remodel last year. There's a lot of prep work that goes into it behind the scenes. We try to build relationships with those customers so that we can continue to perform their maintenance work for years to come. Several of the projects we have completed, we've worked as their maintenance contractor for 10+ years.
I know that technology is really advancing a lot of different fields.
The new smart home technologies, all the information systems that are out there, the conduit systems for those, more in our commercial world. Technology is changing every day. We make a great effort to make sure that all of our people complete a 4-year apprenticeship program with over 8,000 hours of OJT, over 150 hours per year of classroom training. Without that knowledge, there's no way we can adapt to these changing systems.
A lot of the customers that we deal with, they tend to go to the big box stores themselves and purchase recessed lighting, and sometimes they're just not happy with the choices that they have, so they come to us looking for commercial grade quality parts that tend to last longer with better options and peace of mind knowing that it was installed by a professional, and tend to be much happier in the end.
All right, now I know on your trucks it says doing business the old-fashioned way. What does that mean to you?
That means I'm going to shake your hand, we're going to agree to something, I'm going to do everything I said I'm going to do, and if I don't, you're going to hold me accountable.
I'm going to shake your hand right now, Mike. For electrical solutions both big and small, be sure to call Vintage Electric. For a complete list of services, go to vintageelectric.com.